In front of me is REALME C63 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening settings. Then scroll a tiny bit to hit security and privacy. Scroll all the way down and hit privacy controls. Then finally you can hit Permission Manager and tap on any of those devices features you want to manage, like microphone. Then select one of your apps, like AliExpress, and tap on one of those options to apply the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first option, so when I tap and go back, AliExpress just gained access to my device's microphone when I'm using this app. But you can always select any feature, find an app you wish to manage, and scroll all the way down to select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!